Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: camera model, app, and your phone's OS. Power the camera and charge it above 50%. This prevents resets mid-setup. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone so the app can find the camera quickly. Open the official app, create or sign into an account, then follow the app's prompt to add a device. Once prompted, put the camera into pairing or AP mode using the device button or reset pin so your phone can detect its temporary hotspot. Once the app detects the camera hotspot or the device appears in the Add Device list, select it and choose your home Wi-Fi SSID. Enter the correct password carefully because one wrong character stops streaming. If the app offers a QR code configuration, point the camera at your phone screen as instructed. This transmits credentials securely. After submission, the camera will attempt to join your router. Watch the app for progress. Make sure you select 4 GHz if the camera doesn't support 5 GHz, and wait for the live feed confirmation. You finish by naming the device, choosing motion and recording preferences, and confirming storage, cloud or local SD. Test live view, audio, motion triggers, and any pan/tilt controls to verify everything responds. This prevents surprises later. If the camera fails to stay online, make sure the router broadcasts 4 GHz, check Wi-Fi password accuracy, and power cycle both router and camera. If needed, perform a factory reset on the camera and repeat the app pairing. That usually clears persistent pairing errors and IP conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.